Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to beautiful topic. Today we are going to discuss. The topic is nothing but trigonometry. Everybody is asking, sir, you have to do make a trigonometry. Definitely better. I have to do all the chapters in equal manner. All the chapters I am giving to you beautiful techniques for you. It is useful for your coming exam. Friends, you are giving beautiful encouragement and cooperation for our channel. I am very happy. Again I am saying to what I am doing this, all the videos I am dedicated to you only who are watching our channel, that viewers only I am dedicating these videos to you. For that encouragement, today I am going to explain to you trigonometry. Friends, what we have discussing related to the examination area, I have written on the board. That compulsory we have to discuss literally. If you want beautiful information about trigonometry, depth information about trigonometry, you have to watch in our playlist. I made a good videos, minimum 24 videos I made it in our playlist about trigonometry only. You watch the videos, you will get the perfect knowledge. Now, in that mind mapping, who is the father of trigonometry? Who was introduced trigonometry into mathematics? Hipparchus. Very nice. He is a Greek mathematician. Here, what is trigonometry? It is a Greek term. The combination of three such different words: trio, gonia, metron. Trio means three, gonia means angle, metron means measurement. Simple, we can say that triangle measurement is called trigonometry. That is the definition of trigonometry. But that Hipparchus, he have derived one more definition. Nothing but the trigonometry is nothing but it's form a relationship between sides and angles of a rat, means right angle triangle. It is the one of the definition of trigonometry. We have to use many branches in trigonometry. That is a common thing. Now come to the point. In the trigonometry introduction is over. This is a combination of triangle measurement is called trigonometry. It is also called as relationship between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Now friends, here what is the naming the sides of rat? Oh, every right angle triangle have a particular names of each and every side: base, height and hypotenuse. How we get that is? Now let us see. You know very well, this is one acute angle. The name of acute angle AOB. This is a primary level question. AOB is an acute angle. Right? No? You can take any point on AO. That is nothing but P. From P you draw a perpendicular line on OB. That is PQ. Draw a perpendicular line on OB. That is PQ. Then we are getting PQO right angle triangle. We are getting PQO right angle triangle. With the base, with the different sides. This is base, this is altitude, nothing but height, this is the hypotenuse. You know very well. From that, we have to do naming the sides of trigonometry with respect to the angle theta. With respect to the angle theta, we have to derive the three names of this triangle. Yes, where is the theta represented? Side will be opposite side. This is opposite side. Now where is the 90 degree quite opposite side? Nothing but hypotenuse. You know very well. And the remaining side will be adjacent side. Here in right angle triangle, this is the base, this is the altitude, this is hypotenuse. Here base becomes to adjacent side, altitude becomes to opposite side with respect to theta. Sometimes one student has one doubt. Sir, suppose theta will be here, opposite side will comes to here, adjacent will comes to there. These two only will be interchange their position. Hypotenuse will be unique. It is clear. From this, how to derive the trigonometric ratio? Sin theta. Sin theta nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now tan theta nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Sir, we have to write, how to understand very easy manner. I will tell you, definitely I have to tell you that technique. How to write the name of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. How it is easy. Simple, you follow this technique. This one. What is that? Osa chota, not chota beam. Osa chota. I want sine theta and D. I want sine theta, nothing but O by H. Opposite side by hypotenuse. How it is easy. Next, I want cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. I want tan theta. One letter to gap. You see, between one letter will be there between other two letters. Now tan theta nothing but O by A. O by A means, dear friends, opposite side by adjacent side. Got it? O by A, opposite side by hypotenuse. A by H, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta. Very easy. Then we can write reciprocal of sine friend cosec theta. This value O by H nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side. Cos friend secant theta reciprocal. Cos theta reciprocal, sec theta reciprocal, cos theta. That is the reason reciprocal of adjacent by hypotenuse is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. H by A. Now tan reciprocal cot theta. So that nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. Friends, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios we have derived from the by using right angle triangle with respect to theta. Dear friends, how you understand? Here theta will be there. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. So AB by AC. AB by AC. Here theta will be there. What is the value of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Nothing but BC by AC with respect to this diagram. With respect to this diagram. Now tan theta opposite side by every time tan theta like a L shape. L shape we can take. That means opposite side by means AB by BC. This is the tan theta value. You know sin, cos, tan. Automatically we have to get the cosec, sec, cot because you know very well. Sin theta is nothing but 1 by cosec theta. Secant theta, cos theta is nothing but 1 by secant theta. Tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta. Sin into cosec equals to 1. Cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. Tan theta into cot equals to 1. These are the values of sin, cos, tan. 6 trigonometric ratios. The relationship between these 6 ratios. Now, dear friends, what these trigonometric ratios are? I derived from this word, beautiful word, osa chota. You can get it. This kind of techniques I explained in our previous videos also. In playlist you see. Okay. Now, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. What are the specific angles, children? Related to 10th class standard, 0 to 90. What is that? This is the theta angle. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. You know very well. Now here, what is the trigonometric TRS amount? TRS means trigonometric ratios. Means sin, cos, tan, followed by cot, sec, cosec. Children, tan theta is nothing but you know very well sin by cos theta. How it is that? Tan theta, how should I get it? Opposite side, adjacent. You see, tan theta nothing but sin by cos. I said. What is the sin value? O by H. What is the cos theta value? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Nothing but simply we can say that A by H for our convenience. Hypotenuse get cancelled. We are getting O by A. O by A means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by nothing but tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta nothing but tan theta. So I am going to fill this box. If I know sin value, then the total box will be completed within a fraction of seconds. That technique you see. Sin 0. Our life will starts with 0 and I will become a number 1 in our life. Like that. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. If you know these 5 values, this total box will be over. How it is? Sin reciprocal, sin reversing order. Cos will come 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Sin by cos, 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 to get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Because tan theta nothing but sin by cos na. Root 2 root cancel, 1, 2 to cancel, root 3, 1 by 0 not defined, undefined. Now reverse order, cot theta will come. Reverse order you write cot theta will come. Now sec reciprocal of cos, 1 by 1, 1, root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2 reciprocal, root 2, 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2, 1 by 0, infinity. Now reverse order, infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Very easy. If you know this fellow, only this fellow, all lockers will open. If you know this locker, all lockers will open. Okay, na? If you know the password of phone, all folders will open like that. If you know the sin theta, all the values you are getting. Very easy manner, right? Now, friends, you might be having one good idea. Sin 45, cos 45 will be same. Cot, tan 45, cot 45 same. Sec 45, cosec 45 same. Let us see. Tan 45, cos 45. 1 by root 2. Tan 45, cot 45, 1. Sec 45, cosec 45, root 2. Let us see. Yes, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, same. Tan 45, cot 45, 1, 1, 1, same. Sec 45, cosec 45, root 2, root 2, root 2, same. When sin theta equals cos theta, theta equals to 45. This is our question. When tan theta equals to cot theta, only the case is theta equals to 45 degree. In that case only they are equal. Okay, now dear friends. Now let us come to the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You have a coordinate, already we complete coordinate geometry. Every coordinate axis will divide the plane into 4 equal coordinates, q1, q2, q3, q4. Like that here also 4 equal parts are there. In this we have to write a letter A, S, T. Okay, na? All success in coming entrance exam. Okay, na? All success 10th class students. All success in 10th class students. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. Now friends, here all means A for all, S means silver, T means teacups. Now rainy season teacup is better. Now all success in 10th class, that is also you can utilize. All means all 6 ratios will be positive here. S means only S and his friend, sin and cosec only positive. Sin and cosec only positive. T means tan and tan friend, cot theta only positive in this case. Here C means cos and his friend sec theta only positive in this 4th quadrant. 1st quadrant, 2nd quadrant, 3rd quadrant, 4th quadrant. What are the angles of this? Simple. You have to go with anti-clockwise direction. We have to start with the 90 minus theta. This is total one box, quadrant 1. This is 90. We have to move in here. 90 minus theta next here. Half of the semicircle. 180 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 minus theta. These are the angles. So for suppose sine of 90 minus theta, where it is located? 1st quadrant. In 1st quadrant, what is the letter A? Sine of 90 minus theta. Yes. Plus cos theta. How would I know? The important note points are when the 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta, odd numbers will be there. 927 odd numbers will be there. Sine reciprocal cos will come. Cos reciprocal sine will get. Tan reciprocal cot. Cot reciprocal tan. Followed by cosec reciprocal sec, sec reciprocal cosec we are getting in the answer. When it is possible? When the angle, complementary angle be 90 minus theta 270 will be there for suppose like this. These two angles will be there in the question. Followed by 180 minus 360 for suppose will be there, no like this. What we have to get? Simple 180 minus 360 theta will be there in the exam, in the question. Then we will get directly simple beta sine, the result also sine, cos and cos will come, tan and tan will come, like that cosec, cosec, sec, 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 cos, cos will come. When it is 188, 3 even number, odd number will be there, sine, cos, cos, sine, tan, cot, cot, tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec will come. Here 90 minus we started. Okay na? మనం లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా చిన్న మిస్టేక్ చేస్తాం అనుకోండి, తర్వాత సరిదిద్దుకుంటాం. అంటే 90 minus theta మిస్టేక్ అనుకోండి, తర్వాత సరిదిద్దుకోవడం ఎక్కడ? సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో 90 plus theta starts with here. Now followed by increase 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 plus theta. Children, if you know this one, this one, this one, you have to write the trigonometric problems. Any kind of question they are giving, you can write in the exam. Friends, 90 minus theta, 180, 273. 90 plus theta, 180, 273. This is answer. In first quadrant, what are the angles will be there? Don't by heart it. Logic is important, Amma. Logic is important. First, one student has to make one beautiful technique. In the exam, in rough paper, he has to do one thing. Like this only he have to do. That's it. He write one. Everything he know very well. He write only sine value. Everything he know very well. How it is? You know, 90 minus theta here, 2nd quadrant 180, 3rd quadrant 270 minus theta, 4th quadrant 360 minus theta. For example, sine of 360 minus theta, if it is asking the exam, you know very well, 4th quadrant C letter, C means cos sec, sine of 360 minus theta, sine 180 will be there, same number will come. So sine theta, which quadrant? 4th quadrant, so minus sine theta. He has to give the answer. You also do that. Simple, just practicing, that's it. Now friends, last one, trigonometric identity. What are how many trigonometric identities? Just 3 trigonometric identities are there. First one, we know very well sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this, I have to make a 4 formulas. Let us see. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. It will be transferred right side. I want only sin theta, nothing but square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Got it? Second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Secant relation. Now I want secant square theta, nothing but minus tan square theta. Transfer right side become to place 1 plus tan square theta. Now I want sec theta. That means square root of 1 plus tan square theta. You see, if you know one identity, Nana, everything will come. If you know this identity, you have to write side. For example, you want cos. Here you can write cos, here sin will come. Cos you can write sin will come. You want tan for suppose. Here tan. Very important. This is tan square theta is equals 1 comes to inside. That means secant square theta minus 1. Everybody writing 1 minus sin square secant square. No. Tan square theta equals secant square theta minus 1. Then tan theta is equals square root of secant square theta minus 1. This is the second identity. Now you have to follow the third identity also. The third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Tell me cosec square theta. COSEC, cosec CAC also cosec, both are same. Now 1 plus cot square theta. Now I want cosec theta, square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, somebody sir want cot square theta. Yes, cot square theta is equals to 1 minus cosec, not I told just now. 1 will comes inside, means cosec square theta minus 1. What about cot theta, Nana? Cot theta is nothing but, dear children, cosec square theta minus 1. You see, this is a freebie of this beautiful movie, multi-starrer movie, Trigonometry. You see, what are they, Nana? Trigonometry. Friends, trigonometry introduction. Combination of 3 Greek letters, trigonometron, triangle measurement. The relationship between the sides and angles of a rat. Derived by Hipparchus. Naming the size of trigonometry with respect to theta. Theta is the parameter, right? Now, trigonometric ratios, 6 trigonometric ratios are there. 3 main followed by 3 reciprocal. Sin friend cosec, cos friend sec, tan friend cot. How to derive this without any tension? By using osa chota. Sin will, you want sin, O by H. That's it. You want cos, A by H. You want tan, O by A. You write on the paper, you will get idea. This is the way we have to do, Amma. Okay, without any tension. You want cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Easy. Cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Without seeing table, I am saying, because idea. One student has to write, but this is idea for him. He has to write the answer. If you know these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you know these 4, then you will get the any kind of question in the exam, you will write perfectly. Now, let us go with some important top model question for you. Let us see. See children, now top 10 model questions here. In that first question, the cosec theta equals 2 and cot theta equals to root 3p, where theta is an acute angle, then the value of p. Simple. What is the cosec theta value here? 2 will be there. By according to the table, our trigonometric table, cosec friend sin cosec will be reciprocal will be there, no? What is the cosec theta value? If you don't know cosec theta value in the trigonometric table, you can go with the sin value. What is the sin 30? 1 by 2. It is reciprocal 2. Means cosec 30. Oh yes. Cosec theta equals to, when it is possible, then it is called 30 degree. 30 degree. So cosec 30 nothing but 2. So that means theta equals to 30. This 30 will be theta equals to 30. What is asking here? Cot. And cot theta equals to root 3p. Well, substitute here cot 30. You know very well cot 30 nothing but tan 60 equals to cot 30. Tan 60 root 3. Nothing but cot 30 also root 3. That is equals to root 3p. Root 3 root 3 cancel. Here p equals to 1. This is your answer. Okay? Clear. Now cosec theta equals to 2. When cosec theta comes into cosec 30. Now cosec get cancelled, theta equals to 30. This theta value substitute here. Cot 30. Cot 30 value root 3. Root 3 equals to root 3p. P equals to root 3 by root 3. Root 3 1 then root 3. So p equals to 1. This is your answer. Next, tan, very important. Tan theta plus secant theta equals to 8. Then secant theta minus tan theta. Here sin plus, here sin minus. You know the relationship between the tan theta and secant theta? Yes. Yes, yes, you are right. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. A square minus, it is in the form of a square minus b square, nothing but a plus b into a minus b. What is a? Secant theta. What is b? Tan theta. And followed by a is secant theta, b is tan theta is equals to 1. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta, 8 given. Substitute. Yes, next, what is the value? Secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. The final step will be tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by 8. What is the answer? B is the option. Second is the option. How would I get this answer? The relationship between the secant and it is their second identity. Sometimes they are asking here, for suppose sometimes they are asking 1 by 8. You have to convert 1 by 8 into reciprocal. Means your answer will come 8. Here 8 will be there, 1 by 8 will come. 1 by 8 will be there, 8 will be come. Here p will be there, 1 by p will come. Here 1 by 2 will be there, 2 is the answer. Okay? Same way, one more identity also they are using simultaneously. That is called secant square theta minus cot square theta is nothing but 1. It is also same manner, same process we have to follow. Then cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta will equals to 1. For example, he is asking here p. Here cosec theta plus cot theta equals given in the question paper p. We have to find this value. Simple. This value substitute. So cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1. Finally, the cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by b is the answer. Simple. Actually, this is in a competitive style. No need to do these all the things. Just we have to write the answer. Here 8 will be there. Here minus there. No. 1 by 8 reciprocal is the answer. Here reciprocal is given. You can write main answer. 1 by 8 again reciprocal means 8 by 1. Nothing but 8. Here 8 is 1 by 8. Our answer is 1 by 8. Have you understand? Clear? Next. If tan theta equals to 7 by 8, then the value of 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by 1 by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta equals to dash. This is actually 4 marks question in the board exam. But in competitive exam, we have to do it shortcut way. What is that? Simple amount. Here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. In the sense, we have to write 1 square minus sin square theta. Same the way, 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, you know very well, 1 minus sin square theta from the first identity, we know the value will be cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos square theta nothing but sin square theta. You know very well, cos by sin, sin by cos tan, cos by sin cot, that's it, cot theta, cot square theta. Sin, cos by sin nothing but cot theta, whole square will be there, no, cot square theta. What about cot theta? 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta whole square. What is the 1 by tan theta value? 7 by 8. 1 by 7 by 8 whole square. 1 by 1, 7 by 8 nothing but 8 by 7 whole square. 8 square, 64, 7 square, 49. Finish answer. But in our style, in our math style, in our academic style, I will tell you 5 seconds. 5 seconds or 2 seconds answer. 2 seconds. Let us see. Here what is given? 10. We have to get reciprocally. The answer here sin by cos there, no? Answer will come to reciprocal. Means 8 square by 7 square. 8 square value 64, 7 square value 49. For suppose this will be there as a numerator, this will be there in denominator. You can do 7 square, 8 square. This answer. Okay, na? When the tan is given, sin by cos is there, na? You can go with the reciprocal of this squaring of this term. That means 8 square by 7 square will be 64 by 49. Okay, na? Got it? See children, now fourth question. If 5 tan theta equals to 4, then the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Tan theta equals to 4 by 5. From the question, what is asking here? 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta followed by 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. It is a huge question, but we have to go with the simplest. The numerator and denominator I am going to divide it by cos theta term. So what we are getting in the 5 sin theta by cos theta. Okay, na? Next minus 3 cos theta by cos theta. Similarly, the denominator also you can go have to separate it. 5 sin theta by cos theta plus 3 cos theta by cos theta. What do we have to cancel here? Cos theta will cancel. What is the value we are getting? Sin by cos. Sin by cos is nothing but tan theta. What is the tan theta value? 4 by 5. You substitute here minus 3. Here also sin by cos nothing but tan theta. Tan theta value what we are given in the question 4 by 5. Substitute plus 3. So 5 get cancelled. 4 minus 3. Here 5 get cancelled. 4 plus 3. 4 minus 3 value 1. 4 plus 3 value 7. 1 by 7 is the answer. Finish. How it is easy, right? Next, the value of cos square 13 minus sin square 73. You have to write first value as it is, children. Cos square 13 as it is you have to write on the paper. Minus sin square 73 converted into as a complement triangle. For example, sin square 73 we have to get like this. 90 minus 13 we are getting 73. But you know very well sin of 90 minus theta it is in first quadrant. Odd number will be there. Sin value get the complementary will be cos theta. It is in first quadrant. So plus cos theta. Cos theta nothing but here 13. Here already cos square 13. This is also cos square 13. Cos square 13, cos square 13 get cancel. The answer 1 minus 1 equals 0. This is your answer. Simple. Sin square 75 degree, cos square 75 degree equals dash. Oh, we don't have 75 degree. It is there in intermediate syllabus. How would I find? No, when the question having logic, the logic is it is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. You see the theta value will be same. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. This is the answer. Next, expressing tan theta in terms of secant theta. You know the tan theta value will be sin by cos as per the trigonometric ratios. He is asking in all the terms in secant theta. So sin theta nothing but we have to write 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta nothing but 1 by secant theta. Clear? Yes, here also we have to write the value of 1 by sec theta whole square because cos theta nothing but 1 by secant theta. Do the cross multiplication here. Secant theta, secant here square will be there, no? 1 square by secant square. Secant square theta 1 is secant square theta minus 1 into 1 by secant square theta under the square root by 1 by secant theta. Children, you have to write here secant square theta minus 1 by this will comes root outside, it becomes a secant theta. It will be reciprocalized secant theta by 1. Sec theta get cancelled. We are getting square root of secant square theta minus 1. This is the answer. Clear? Tan theta is nothing but terms in secant theta. Clear, Mana? Next. Now, here very interesting question. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2a. Okay, na? Expanded is over. Plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2a. Okay, na? Sin here plus 2 sin theta. Cos theta minus 2 sin theta can cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. 1 plus 1 2. Answer is 2. Now I have one more easy technique. Is there? I will tell you. We know algebraic identity in previous 6th 7th standard classes. We learned about that. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You have to add it. You will get 2 of a square 2b square. Now you have to do a minus b, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You have to substitute it, then you will get 4ab. According to this identity, we have to solve this answer. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. What is there in middle? Plus. What is there here? Plus 2 of a square, 2 a square sin square b cos square theta. 2 of sin square theta cos square nothing but 1. 2 into 1 2. Finish. Here for suppose minus will be there. You followed by 4ab. Means 4 into sin theta cos theta. That's it. Okay. Next, you have to go with here sin of a minus b equals to 1 by 2. Cos of a plus b equals to 1 by 2. So what is the a value? In sin theta, when we will get 1 by 2? Tell me. Yes, pause the video, say the answer. Yes. In sin theta, the value will be sin 30. Sin get cancelled. A minus b equals to 30. Put equation number 1. From this, cos of a plus b in cos theta 1 by 2 cos 60. Here 30 is there, here 60 will come. Cos get cancelled, then a plus b equals 60. The comparison between equation 1 and 2, the 1 and 2, a minus b equals to 60, a plus b equals to 30. Now, b get cancelled, a plus a, 2a, 60 plus 30, 90, A equals to 90 by 2, nothing but 45. This is your answer. Finish. Got it? I hope that you have understand this is the very important solution with a smart style I explains to you. You can utilize, you have to watch the videos perfect manner and do the practice in description area. Many questions are there like this model. You can practice it and strengthen your subject. All the best and till then practice well. Bye bye children.